Hey everybody, I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this 20 volt max battery powered leaf blower by this company, Lovely. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a little overview? I don't think people have a full appreciation for our leaf blower, how compact it is, but yet how powerful it is. Who am I to say nobody, no way whatsoever this being provided to be effective review? I am just here to keep it real. So let me share with you what all you get. You get you get a battery pack, one battery pack. You get this, which is your motor. You get one extension, two extensions, and then you have a cord to charge. It has an LED light that's either red or green to let you know if it is charged. On the battery, there is illumination, let you know if you have a full charge or not, as you can see there with the different bars. How easy it is to put in. Take your battery, you just slide it in right there. To remove the battery, you just press this button down and then you just slide it out. In, out, very easy to use. This has a little snapping piece right here, snaps into place. And then you have this that just slides on. It's like a compression fitting and you are good to go. That's it. That is all you have. There are two speeds that you just slide with the click of a button. The first one is about 70 miles per hour, and then the second speed is about 165 miles per hour of the old below pressure. One, two. And that's the real volume there, so you can kind of get an idea of how loud, or really not loud it is. It's only 93 decibels, which is quite on the low scale. When it's activated and it's on, it will illuminate all the way up to how much battery power you have left. So if you're out there doing your thing, blowing your leaves, you can quickly look down, press that. You can either know you're at 20, 50, 75, or 100% based on the illumination of the different bars. In the example here, this is moving some dead flower leaves that are really kind of a nuisance in the old yard, and it's blowing them like nobody's business. The power on this is what you would hope to expect from something, but you might be pleasantly surprised because 165 miles an hour, and the way this is conveniently tilted, you have sort of that dip down when you're blowing your leaves. Quite powerful, very light. I mean, you can see here it is very light. So if you're looking for something that's not too heavy, this is gonna help. I mean, this thing weighs probably, I'd say around 5 or 6 pounds, very, very light. So hopefully this answers any possible questions you could have about this 20 volt leaf blower by the company Lovely. And we'll talk to you soon.